we are pleased to have Professor Murthy Garu, Director IIT, and also President Indian Institute of Metals, Kolkata. We are really fortunate to have him amongst us to spend his valuable time, advice, and suggestions to make this program a grand success. So we with Advaya Srestha and IIT Hyderabad have partnered up to provide the skills for the in trades such as electrical, plumbing, which are not mainstream, usually vocational, but these are going to be mainstream in the next few years. As co-founder of NVIDIA Technology, he said in America, the next set of millionaires will be electricians and plumbers. So it is so important. If just somebody has some advanced degree, they may not make it for sure. But somebody who has skills and vocational skills, they have a lot more coming in their future because they can have their own businesses, employ people, and generate revenue and contribute to the society. So today I would like to express my gratitude on behalf of Kiran and myself to Professor Murthy Garu. Sir, you've been instrumental in this whole exercise. Without you, it would not have been possible. And trust me, Sir is handling the IIT in a lot of other places. If we want to go IIT also, we would not get as much welcomeness, or I'm not getting the right word, with our ideas. But Sir has been really instrumental. He wants to see that India is the next skill captain of the world. That is the main thing. At one point when we had Nalanda, Taxila universities, we were in the top. So Sir and all our ideas are to make India the number one skill center of the world. And also I would like to take this occasion to thank Dr. Pradeep Yamula Garu, who's been extremely helpful. Sir, we could not do this without Pradeep sir. The moment I WhatsApp, unless he's driving or he's eating dinner, he will always respond to me. So we really we appreciate your service, sir. Your contribution towards this effort. And all the next time we want to get like minimum 50 to 100 people. And we'd like you to spread this good word, what you had today, the past 3 days, your experience, kaisa hai, boliye subko. And, thank you, Kiran, for sticking with us all throughout. And thank you, Santosh, for handling everything. And also the IIT student, I didn't get your name. What's your name? Mr. Ramkrishna, thank you. Without all of you, this could not have been possible. Okay. So thank you all and wish you all the best.